Hello, Public Purpose Advisory Board. I thought I would put together a quick recording to let you know about tomorrow and how that's going to go, and maybe it will also lend itself to near-term jobs you guys will have for the winter weather wear drive. All right, so tomorrow morning, you guys are going to log into this Zoom, which I will put in an email with this video to you. And we're going to start out with some introductions where I'll take a screenshot where everybody is, and we'll just go in order. All the students from MBA and Harpeth Hall will share their name, the grade they're in, and just their favorite food. All right, and then next we're going to put you guys into breakout rooms, and they have similar committees as we do. So you will get to choose the breakout room that you go to. If you are on the logistics social committee, you will go to room 1. If you are on the incentives committee, you will go to room 2. And then lastly, if you are on the publicity and advertising is what they call theirs advertising. We call it marketing. It's all kind of similar and intertwined. You'll go to room 3. All right. So the things you will need to have this sheet that I shared with you girls this week handy when you're on the Zoom, because when you are in your breakout rooms, you guys are going to share some of the things that you will be responsible for in your subcommittees. Okay, so they are usually a week or two ahead of us. This year they're 1 week ahead, so they have done a lot of these things already. So maybe they'll be able to help you and give you some insights about what's worked so far. But just be prepared to talk about these different things that you're responsible for. So if you're on the incentives committee, those bins are going to be out this afternoon. My Care Bears are taking care of that. So today, Thursday, and then I'll get with you guys about hanging up the sheets. The marketing and publicity, I hope you guys can maybe designate somebody. I'll send you an email separately for just your committee, and maybe I can help you guys choose somebody that's just in charge of everything to make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do in a timely way. I am going to have the Care Bears make some signs today for the pods, but I would love for you guys to hang some more, but we can only use blue painter's tape. Miss Ford has blue painter's tape, and I do too. Miss Keller does as well. I have mine. I'll have it sitting out on the table right as you walk into room 110 if you ever need to borrow it. But just get those up as best you can. And if you need poster board, they have it in the teachers' workrooms. You can ask any teacher, Miss Ford, or me to help you get your hands on some. And make sure when you make the poster boards that it includes the date and then all the items the dates of the drive, and then all the items we're collecting. Let's talk very soon about the student email that's going to go out soon. I'll put that in the email later today. And then logistics and social committee, same here. Just designate somebody that can be the point person that's keeping everybody on task, a chairperson, if you will. We'll get those bins out for you. We need you to check the bins every Wednesday and Friday. There probably will be some overflow, but I'm going to make sure to have some bags, big giant plastic bags right next to the bins. So you can bag those up, and then we're going to try to figure out by midweek next week. Miss Keller's going to let me know where we're going to store everything. It's probably going to be in the student services hallway closet, but we'll have to see. But I need to probably help you guys with that. So we'll communicate about how to get those things put away. And then the sorting party, we'll probably do it on our own. There's still a chance we might go to MBA for that, but it'll be January 23rd. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Thank you so much. This is such important work. It's been a very cold week, and these organizations need stuff now. So I might even be running some things to Oasis Center as they come in next week. You guys are amazing. I'll see you in the morning.